it's a girl Stiff Breast and I'm back with another video. You see down below the tag what kind of video girl I dropped today. Well guys, basically what I'm gonna do today, I just want to give you all a big thanks for the support that you give to Stiff Breast Ent. A big thanks to you all. I really appreciate it. As you can see that I am very super happy. I am so happy, y'all, for 4K WH. Yes, big up on yourself, guys, and 1K subscriber. A big thanks to you all. You guys all know yourself. I don't want to call no name or no know yourself. A big thanks to you all. Thanks to all who watch my video. Big up on yourself. I really appreciate that. Yes, guys. And what I want to say to the YouTubers, them keep on pushing yourself. Just keep on pushing yourself. Don't tell yourself so that you cannot make it. You can. Just do what you got to do and push yourself. God help with themselves. Push yourself, guys. Push yourself. And do what you got to do. Sometimes, when you reach like a year and a couple months, if you pass the year with the sorry 1 year with the WH, it will drop. And that's what was happening to me. It was really dropping. But I really basically do, I check it like every morning. When I check it every morning, sometimes it drop, and basically I have to do something every day if it just keep it up. When I not do nothing, it drop. So what I do something every day that's keep up me me watch hours. But basically I am so happy, so happy, because sometimes I just feel like I go give up, and I never give up. I keep on pushing. So basically what I'm saying to you guys, don't tell yourself that you cannot make it. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Yes, put him first and tell him, say, God, more help me out to this, But guess what? You have to push yourself. You have to keep on pushing. If you push yourself and you can't get help from someone, yes, that person will help you. Just please push yourself. Push yourself. May I encourage you guys. May I encourage you. Push yourself. Put God first in everything that you're doing. And don't tell yourself, don't give up. Do not give up. Not because it dropped today or tomorrow I go give up. Because it happened to me. Because me just tell you what basically happened to me. Sometimes I say to myself, say, look how long me start and I know me can't reach a 1K. And me I say me can't reach not even 4K, and me had post video or whatever. Yes. Do your live, do your video, just do what you got to do. You hear what I'm saying, guys? And don't tell yourself, say, you cannot make it. Push yourself. And you have to push yourself. You have to push yourself first. And somebody say, yeah, push. You really push all the effort. Somebody, you will find somebody will help you. Me I tell them. From the person, if basically me a YouTuber, me say, yes, Tom Brown are really pushing, so me say, alright, me go help Tom Brown because he's really pushing to reach in WH or in 1K subscriber. So you have people, you have genuine people like that. We see a person really push and help them out. Me can tell you guys, people really who really say push out your effort for reach your WH and your subscriber, they will help you. But guys, as what I'm saying, I say we are happy. When yesterday, it's not yesterday, day before yesterday, I was so, one time I look, the morning, I use my phone first and check on the YouTube studio, and I see 4,000 something, 4,002, and I say, yes, that is less. I know that is not the right one, but when you check the laptop, you're going to see the right one. And I see 4,000. I say, guys, we are happy. I lay on the bed and I have the laptop. I couldn't even jump because, yes, I tell you, say, I say, whoa, I reach it. sorry about that, guys. I really reached that 4K. I was so super happy. But I just want to say a big thanks to you all who really helped me out. A big thanks. Thank you very much. And as what I say, guys, put God first in everything that you do. And guys, please push yourself and don't give up. And I really appreciate all of you guys. I love you. I love you so much. A big thanks to you all who helped me out and my double H. A big thanks to you all who watch my videos. Thank you very much, because you really done a great job for me. And I know I done something special for myself too. So I have to really big up you guys. Big up, to the maximum, a million times. I love you guys so much. A big thanks to you all. And I, Stiff Breast Ent, is so super happy. And guys, I'm gonna keep on pushing and do what I got to do. This is not the end for me. This is just the beginning. So a big thanks to you all. Yes, guys. See you in the next video. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Bye.